Hi guys, welcome to another Vlogmas vlog. We are in Doncaster at the Wildlife Park. It's dressed up for Christmas. We're just going to go and have something to eat before we look at the illuminations. And we are back in the Evolution restaurant, which is a bit of a sort of a rip-off of Rainforest Cafe. Similar. So we're here and we've ordered this dinner. It's not the cheapest place. The mains are not too bad. They're like between £10 and £12 each. But
I don't think it's too bad.
But the sides are £4 each for £4 fries.
What's happening? What's happening?
£4 for onion ring. So it's a little bit like Rainforest Cafe, but without the animals. I'll have a walk around it a bit. Yeah, there is. They usually do a show. I don't know if they're doing the show today though. I'm not sure, you know, the COVID and
weekends
that.
Only.
Is it weekends only? But I'll have a walk around anyway.
Not weekends, I think Friday, Saturday.
Yeah, I think you might be right. And school holidays.
Yeah, bank holidays.
Yeah, they normally come around with dinosaurs, don't they? Hi guys.
Hello.
Doing some colouring. Got cranberry juice. That one only £2.50.
You got thrush?
No, it's cheaper to get a juice than it is to get Diet Coke at like £3.90.
I want tea.
We've got teas, we've got an orange juice. I don't know. Look at the size.
A spicy burger.
Spicy chicken burger, it's massive.
Nice chips.
I'm filming you. What's he saying, Saf? Is he talking to you? What's he saying?
He loves me.
He loves you. He says no. Like, no, I'm not saying that. So I'm going to eat you. No, he's not saying that. No, we're not buying anything now. Let's go and look at the lights. Let's go and look at the lights. Oh, the play band. Turn it down for the vlog. We decided to get some desserts here, so we're having hot chocolate. Is yours a regular, normal hot chocolate?
Just normal large hot chocolate.
A normal large hot chocolate. And Zarina's got that, Ferrero Rocher bun. and I've gone for the orange hot chocolate, and so has Safi.
So that one's not yours.
Orange hot chocolate.
We've both got same. It is. You can have that one if you want, sir.
That one's Safi's.
Right, it's good. Well guys, we're on our way out now. We managed to avoid the rain until now. It's just started to chuck it down. Hope you've enjoyed this vlog. I've only filmed tiny little snippets of it because Mike's filming a more detailed vlog for our other channel, Ricardo's Family Vlog, so you've just got some little snippets on this one for my Vlogmas video. But thanks for watching once again guys, and I shall see you tomorrow in the next one. Bye!